Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh!
Jesus Christ.
You want me? Come on. Come and get me. Come and get me. Right here. Right here. Come and get me.
Oh.
Aha! Physics. I just love it. The mindless dregs. What do I call these guys? The dregs. Come on, dregs. Let's move.
Take some time, right?
Yeah, it takes time to really get into the Genshin Impact, or you know, the game where the CCP is spying on you.
Studios of the next game from one of our industry's most visionary game studios.
Okay, what's this?
Little Big World or Little Big Planet?
Don't know.
No, not Little Big Planet.
So, wait. Oh! Yes!
KOJIMA?
Is this the sequel to Death Stranding, or is this? Liz Shadow. I knew she was here for a reason. It is. This is a sequel to Death Stranding.
Oh shit.
Or something else. Are we gonna be taking control as her?
Yeah, where's he? What's his direction for this?
I don't know.
By your side, close your tired eyes and I'll wait. And soon I'll see
Keeping the
your
baby
smile.
safe, as you know, you would expect the mother to.
Damn.
Can't get away.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Could you imagine how to be stealthy with a baby?
Oh.
Oh, that's hard.
Sorry about that. We ran out of disk space, and not sure what the hell happened. But anyway, yeah, this is where we saw this. But dude, friggin' unbelievable.
That's amazing, bro.
My cruiser.
Yeah, so Fragile and Sam.
It's time for you to hit the road and start a new journey.
Drawbridge. Ellie Fanning. Troy Baker, I figured he was coming.
VGA made the final decision. It was APAC, a private corporation.
So let love warm you.
That's weird.
Oh, that is creepy.
Till the morning.
That's KOJIMA, though.
Welcome, yeah. Oh, should we have connected?
Oh my god.
Damn.
Always so left field with him.
Yeah, you never know what it's going to be.
No.
Never.
Everyone, please join me in welcoming back to the Game Awards a true legend,
Hideo.
Mr. Hideo.
He's there?
Oh boy. What's up, Kojima-san?
I think they just had him for Skype last year.
I think so.
Yeah, so he's
Dude, that
actually
is also, yeah, there's Lee Shadow. Yeah, she's
popped up on him.
Yeah, this is awesome.
How old is KOJIMA, man?
He's in his 50s, I think.
He gotta be.
KOJIMA, it's been 3 years. You were on this stage with us in 2019.
Looking fit.
Where you won Best Game Direction. DS2 has been announced. What can you tell us? How is it going to be different than DS1?
まあ詳しいことはまだ言えませんけど、驚きの仕掛けをいっぱい入れてますんで、トレーラーにヒントが隠されてますんで、それを見ながら皆さんと議論していただければと思います。
I can't really be specific
Give
right
us a
now, but you
hint.
just seen the trailer, and I put a lot of things inside, so I want you
I
guys
can't
to
really tell. He's, of course, it's like, I can't really give away anything. It's like, of course
talk
you
about
can't,
it
because
and
you're
find details
Kojima.
in it.
Facts. I don't even know why they had him show up.
All right.
Like,
Well, I know we have some of the cast from the game with us here. Hello, Leia, Shioli. Great to have you guys with us here. Troy is here as well. We heard him there. Hello, Troy.
Eric
We're so
Troy Baker,
excited
yeah.
about this collaboration you have with an amazing cast. I wanted to ask you the story of this game. How has the pandemic and what we've been through, how has that impacted your storytelling and the theme of this game?
実はコロナ前にストーリーも全部完成してたんですけども、実際にコロナを体験してで、全部一から、ゼロから作り直したっていうことになります。今回、はい。
Well, I had the story written before the pandemic, but after experiencing the pandemic, I just rewrote the whole thing, the story from scratch.
もう
Damn,
未来を
dude.
予測したくないので、そう
That
ならないように作り直しました。
I also didn't want to predict any more future, so I rewrote it.
Yeah, but I love Kojima so
All
much.
right, Mr. Kojima, it's always such a pleasure having you here. I wanted to ask, generally, what's next for you as a creator? I know we have our fun podcast we do. What else have you got planned?
OK DS2 制作中なんですけども、もう一つとんがったゲームがありまして、そちらは実験と仕込みをやってます。それと映像関係も仕込みをやってますんで、皆さん楽しみにお待ちください。
Well, yes, I'm doing the DS2 right now, and also one other title that's completely new. I'm kind of experimenting at the moment, and also other visual projects I'm still working on. So I'll hope to reveal it soon.
Excellent. Well, you're always very prolific, and we love you for it. Hideo Kojima, everyone. DS2. Mr. Kojima, thank you so much.
Thank you. That is awesome.
Well, next we have another global game announcement. We're proud to announce a new game and a new world for a new AAA independent studio, Ascendant Studios. A team with experience making story-driven FPS games like Dead Space, Halo, and BioShock. They partnered with EA Originals, the label behind last year's Game of the Year winner, It Takes Two, to create a single-player magic shooter set within a new original world. Here is your first glimpse.
Okay.
All right. What do we got?
Pitch in the wind up, or the wind up in the pitch. Across the plate, foul ball. Who knows?
It's dangerous what you hear.
A great many people died in this war.
Your men killed my family. The Immortals are more than soldiers. We're the champion protectors of Lucy.
Hero of Yilthium Fields.
Hero of Yilthium Fields.
Wait.
You don't get it, do you? All you are is angry.
All of Aveum is crumbling apart. You don't win in ever war. You help us win this. I'll know you're ready.
We in there now.
Oh yeah. What the hell is this place?
What?
Oh. Immortals of Aveum. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting.
Late 2023, I'm guessing.
I would say so.
Yeah.
I would probably say that's on the nose.
As an actor, I'm drawn towards stories, but I think that's true of all of us, especially those who pick up a controller.
Oh, is that Rahul?
Narrative in games is a slippery thing because there's no single way to tell a story.
Rahul, he was a contributor on Funhouse for a little bit, and he's very funny, and he's a very talented actor. I've seen his work before, and best narrative. The winner is
God of War Ragnarok.
Of course.
Yeah, what?
I think God of War is just gonna clean house.
I know Elden Ring gotta be pissed.
Well, yeah. Well, there wasn't really much of a narrative in Elden Ring. No, please don't hate me, Elden Ring fans. But the narrative, it's sort of its own thing, and I think the game's better for that. Watch God of War Ragnarok win every award except for Game of the Year, and that's going to go to Elden Ring.
That'd be a shame, personally.
It would be, but I understand if that... Oh,
snap.
Here we go.
Tekken is back.
Ching. Are we going to...
Yakuza.
There you are.
Is that Paul?
Yeah, I think so.
Law? Oh shit, there's a lot of reveals right now.
Yeah.
I'm tripping.
風間 G 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 風間
This looks ridiculous.
Yeah. Well, now that Heihachi's basically done.
Yeah, Hachi ain't got nothing for them anyway. If he was alive.
Ju! Please let her be back. Please let her come back. Please.
Fist meets fate.
Damn it.
Now it's time to recognize more awards and winners. Here are the nominees for Best Art Direction. Elden Ring, God of War Ragnarok, and the Game Award goes to Elden Ring.
Oh, they had to give him something.
Of course. Best AR game, Moss Book 2, never played it. Best Sim Strategy, Mario and Rabbids Spark of Hope. I've heard about it.
Best community support.
Best community support, Final Fantasy 14. Not surprising.
They needed it.
Yeah. What's this?
For you, the year is 1889.
Hello?
The world as you know it teeters on the brink.
Oh. They know we're here.
The magical network of portals has collapsed.
The magical network.
Yes, the magical
Your people
network.
are cast asunder beyond the frontiers of your reality. Realms alive with monstrous beasts, eldritch creatures and dangers of which you
Eldritch, of course. Eldritch horrors.
You
Keep
must
your heart out,
gather your
H.P.
wits,
Lovecraft.
Craft
Oh, shit.
Crafting, world building, yeah. Open the portals, go to new areas.
The secrets of realm cards. And
Become Mary Poppins.
into the unknown.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all. Oh.
Man, that is straight from Mary Poppins.
Yes, it is.
Realm Walker.
What is this? They're doing so much.
Don't know. You need help. Okay. So you all work together to fend off monsters and everything.
That looks intense.
Save yourself.
Yes, it does.
Survive the realms. And rebuild all that has been lost.
Walking trees.
Like the Ints. Nightingale.
Realm Walker is what they called that.
Yeah.
You need a PC for that shit, is what they said.
Also, the fact that Intel is now sponsoring it, damn it.
That's
Intel's
crazy.
sponsoring games now. That's pretty crazy.